Hey guys, welcome to Buy Best Price, and today I have come with another video. So if you are planning to buy a new and big size of a fridge, so here I am come with 516-liter refrigerator. It is a frost-free double door refrigerator from LG company. And today I will be talking about its warranty, features and pricing and all these things. So let's start its first warranty. As you can see on the video, it is a linear compressor, so it has a 10-year warranty on the compressor and 1-year complete warranty on the product. As it is a 3-star, so it will take 274 units per year. If I'll be talk about this color, so it's come in shiny steel color. It has also touch panel on the front by which you can operate your fridge from the outside. As it is a handle model, so it will give a premium look. It is a Wi-Fi model, so you can also operate your fridge from your mobile. There is a touch lock option is also available in the touch panel, so that children cannot disturb it. Now let's enter the fridge, what LG is providing in fridge segment. So there are some pocket shelves on the door, as you can see here, and it has a 5 pocket shelves on the shelf doors, and plastic quality is very good. Here you can see the door is also looking very premium, and here is a egg tray by which you can easily put here 8 to 10 eggs on this tray. Actually the door is very big, so you can easily put here lot of things. And let's enter the fridge, what LG is providing in the inside of this fridge. So as soon as we enter the fridge, here is a door cooling option by which it can easily cool the door. And here you can see that there are some shelves also given in the fridge, so that you can put here a lot of things. Here is a 2 shelves, you can see it is a toughened glass shelf, so it is not going to break very easy. And in the upside you will see here fresh ozone, so you can put in this fresh and meat if you are a non-vegetarian. And you can see here in the picture what is the dimension of this fridge, and in this picture you will see the feature of the fridge: linear cooling, door cooling, and work without stabilizer, so there is no need to put any stabilizer for this fridge. As I told you earlier, child lock feature is also available on the touch panel, so that children cannot touch it and disturb the settings. The smart diagnosis system is also available in this refrigerator. By this feature, it can itself diagnose the problem and let the company know what is the problem exactly in the refrigerator. As LG is using toughened glass shelves, so you can easily put 100 kgs product on the shelves. And here are some pictures also available in video by which you can put the stuffs on your refrigerator in a good manner. And now let's see what LG is providing in the freezer zone. And here you will see in the freezer door there are 2 shelves. It is a big shelf, so you can easily put here lot of stuffs. And as soon as we enter this refrigerator, so very beginning you will see here is a ice maker, and it is a twist ice maker, so you can easily grab the big amount of ice cubes from here. It can make ice in just 45 minutes. As we all know, LG is a Korean model, so you can see here the slip by which it is also written made in Korea, so it will be a good model for you guys. And here is a setting by which you can set the temperature of the refrigerator and fridge also. So if you are planning to buy a big size of refrigerator, so it will be a good model for you. And if you are a 5-member or more family, so it will be a good model. It looks compact size from the outside, but it has a huge space from the inside, as you can see on the video. So this is all about this refrigerator, and if you are planning to buy this refrigerator, so I will provide the buying link in the description box, and you can easily go there and check the price and buy from there. If you have any question related to this refrigerator, so you can comment me on the comment box and I will answer you as soon as possible. We have also created so many videos on home appliances, and you can find the videos on playlist, by which you can go there and check according to your need. And if you want to get detailed review, so you can also go our website, which is www.buybestprice.in. You will find there lots of reviews posts like best air conditioner, best washing machines, and best RO, best vacuum cleaners, and many more. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, so like and subscribe the channel, and if you're watching this on Facebook, so like the Facebook page, and you will get the notification when we will upload a new video. So wait for the new video, it will come next week, and till then, bye.